Today, we will learn about scatterplots and how they show relationships between two variables. Goals for this lesson: identify and describe the correlation between two variables using scatterplots. Understand the difference between positive, negative, and no correlation. Analyze scatterplots to determine the strength of a correlation. Basic rule. Step 1. Plot the data points on a scatterplot where the x-axis represents one variable and the y-axis represents the other. Step 2. Observe the pattern of the points to see if they trend upwards, downwards, or are scattered randomly. Step 3. Determine the type and strength of correlation based on the observed pattern. Repeat after me. Given the ages in years 10, 12, 14, 16, and test scores out of 100, 60, 70, 80, 90, the scatterplot shows a strong positive correlation as the test scores increase with age. For the temperatures in degrees Celsius, 20, 25, 30, 35, and ice cream sales in dollars, 200, 250, 300, 350, the scatterplot indicates a strong positive correlation. As temperature rises, ice cream sales increase. Given the hours studied 1, 2, 3, 4, and scores on a test 50, 55, 60, 40, the scatterplot shows no correlation because the scores do not consistently increase with study time. Common mistakes include assuming that a scatterplot always shows a perfect line of points means that there is correlation, not recognizing that correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables correlate does not mean one causes the other. Confusing positive correlation with negative correlation. For example, stating that as one variable increases, the other must decrease. Correct versions are understanding that correlation can be strong, moderate, or weak based on how closely the points cluster around a trend line. Recognizing that a scatterplot can show no correlation, which means points are scattered without any trend. Realizing that correlation helps predict values, but does not confirm that one variable causes changes in another. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. If the scatterplot of hours played video games versus test scores shows points trending downwards, what type of correlation is this? Option A, positive, or option B, negative? Answer: option B. 2. A scatterplot shows a tight cluster of points rising from left to right. What can we say about the correlation strength? Option A, weak, or option B, strong? Answer: option B. 3. If there is no visible trend in the scatterplot of height versus shoe size, what type of correlation is present? Option A, no correlation, or option B, strong correlation? Answer: option A. Pro tip. Remember, a scatterplot's trend tells us about the relationship, not cause and effect. Summary. Scatterplots visually represent relationships between two variables. Correlation can be positive, negative, or non-existent.